LG's exclusive quad wash technology gets dishes clean the first time using 4 spray arms instead of just 2. Quad wash uses nozzles on each arm to power clean dishes from multiple angles throughout the entire cycle. This model also uses LG's micro air jet technology to help penetrate hard soils on dishes, improving wash performance. When time is of the essence and you need to wash a load of dishes, use the 1-hour cycle. This cycle was designed to quickly clean and dry lightly soiled dishes. Add the enhanced drying feature, LG's Dry Boost, to improve drying performance. The Dry Boost fan distributes heated air within the tub during the dishwasher's dry cycle to provide better drying results and help remove residual water spots. The warm damp air is then vented through the dishwasher and out the front of the unit.